So, you wanna know how to go on a vacation for only 265 euros? Yes? Okay, no problem. What up guys, my name is Phil and welcome to our bucket list channel. Today we will have a look at how you can save some money while you are traveling low cost. There is a lot of factors, but for me those are the major ones, and we can divide it into two major categories, like saving before the traveling and during the traveling. I also have my own example from recent trip in Romania, which cost, guess what, 265 euros. Yes, it was really cheap. And let's go to the first one. And it is your final destination. Well, of course, this will have a huge impact on your final price because it can varies from few hundred euros to few thousand euros. And let's be honest, if you would have few thousand euros for a vacation, you would not probably watch this video. So let's focus more on those low budget countries. This depends a lot where you live, and for me as a Czech citizen, Europe is my go-to option. I was already talking about it in my recent video how to find the cheapest flight ticket, but even in some low budget countries you can have much better vacation than in those well-known countries. There can be a huge difference between USA or Romania, for example. But I promise you will not regret to choose Romania. With those beautiful views and nature, this was probably one of my most favorite countries. And the next where you can save a lot is flight tickets. Yes, once again here we are. I have already made a video about that, so you can check it out in the corner. It's really detailed video how you can save a lot when choosing your flight tickets. But now, just quickly. Try to spend some time on searching around the internet and try to find some cheaper flights on forums, search engines or social medias. And this can save you a lot of money. To Romania, the tickets cost only 17 euros. That is insane, right? And answer for you this question. Do you really need to carry 10 pairs of shoes? And also your whole wardrobe? And also your whole bathroom? Consider that, because it can be big price difference between hand luggage only and big suitcase. If you have troubles to pack only in your hand luggage, check out the video in the corner, because I have made a video on ultimate guide how to pack only into hand luggage. Because for me it's not a problem, I'm able to pack all my clothing and also a camera equip into only a small single backpack. So I think you can do it too. And up to 2 weeks it should be doable. Considering that the big suitcase can cost you at least 20 euros in one way, so in total 40 euros at least, I don't think it's that much worth it. Well, of course, if you are traveling to USA for a month, you just need to buy this, but for a low-cost traveling, I don't think you will need it. And accommodation is also a big part in the final budget. I am not much of a hotel type person. I'm rather using Airbnb or Booking also, and I'm searching rather apartments or, when is more of us, a full house. This can be much cheaper than some hotels. In Romania, for example, we were sleeping every night on a different place, but approximately one night per person was 10 euros. That's pretty cheap, right? But still you need to search for it, and even in Romania. And don't get me wrong, I couldn't say anything bad about my recent accommodations in Romania or even in Portugal, for example. Like, for the price it was pretty good. And in Romania I would say the accommodation was really good for those prices. And for example in Amsterdam We were sleeping in a camp in our tent. Like, it was not that comfortable, but it was really fun and I will remember that my whole life. So try to use Airbnb or Booking, there are often really good prices. And now, this is one of my most favorite parts, Revolut. If you haven't heard about it, it's basically international bank in your smartphone where you can have many different currencies. They have the best possible exchange rates and the basic plan is for free. I have the basic plan and for low budget traveling it is just fine. And wait, it's not a paid promotion, okay? I have only 38 subs, so chill, I just love it. So, to Romania, you just send your national currency to Revolut by your card, it is instantly here and then you just select your currency. It was leu in my case and exchange it for the best rate possible. You can save a lot because you are paying in local currency and this is always the best. And also, when your bank or your exchange give you an awful exchange rate, this is the way to go. And also you have some free withdrawals from ATMs, so if you need some cash, you just withdraw it. If you want to try Revolut for free, you have the link in the description below, and I think it's also some kind of bonus here or something like that. And just for you crypto lovers, you can buy also crypto and stocks here, but I would recommend you to rather send euros or dollars from Revolut to Coinbase or other exchanges because there are huge fees. Guys, do you like those tips? Do you like bucket list? Please hit that like button, and if you want to follow our journey and join our bucket list channel, hit that subscribe button. Oh yes, food. We all love it, right? But during the traveling this can save you a lot. Because if you go every day to restaurant on dinner and also on lunch, do you hear your wallet crying? So when I'm traveling I'm mostly eating cheap, so mainly supermarket or fast food solves the problem. But we were in Romania and restaurants here are also cheap, so that was not that big of a deal. Well, actually, dinner for one person cost like 8 euros or something like that, so pretty cheap. But still, we were eating a lot from supermarkets, mostly pastry. I know, it's not that healthy, but who cares, I'm going low budget. And the last point, souvenirs. And probably in every country there are some souvenir shops and they are usually really expensive. And do you really need those socks with an Eiffel Tower? And do your parents really need that postcard? Or you rather save some time and money to take this bungee jumping and then show the video your parents? Yeah, I was jumping on Ukraine for 8 euros, so yeah, pretty cheap somewhere, but still 8 euros is 8 euros and you can save those by not buying those souvenirs. And I guarantee you that this will be with you forever. But the t-shirt will probably not last that long. I hope you've learned something today and you will save some money during traveling, and if you want to see some traveling videos from Romania, you have them here. And thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. They have the best possible exchange rates and the best, I can say, the basic plan. Oh my god. Charmy. Fui. Charmy. Fui.